wireless network watcher. Let's see how we are going to download and some more about wireless network watcher, and what we can do with the wireless network watcher. We'll show today demo. We'll select the favorite search engine where we can search Newsoft. And here we will get different types of tools like passport tools. Here we will system tools, browser tools, and many more. We'll simply select the network tools. Actually, this wireless network watcher is related to network tools. So after selecting the network tools, we'll get different types of tools like Smart Snip, Network Traffic Viewer, and many more. We'll select the wireless network watcher. After that, we'll see the different description about wireless network watcher. Here we can able to know what is wireless network watcher. Actually, wireless network watcher is such tools which help us to scan the device connected in our network. But one of the limitations for this these tools is that we can only able to detect the device or scan the devices connected in the network, which are connected in our system only. Means if we cannot able to detect the device connected in some other network. Until we cannot able to detect the devices which are connected in some other network. Let's see how we can download this. We'll simply scroll down and we'll get the zip file or wireless network watcher in the form of a zip file. We'll simply click here. I have already downloaded, so I am going to show demonstration now. When I'm going to open the wireless network watcher. In this file, this application, when we'll double click on it, it will open and start to scan the devices connected in this network. Here it is able to scan the device. Actually, I am using hotspot. So one of the device, my mobile phone is treated as router. So device information seems like it is a router, and another is your computer, which is my system, is connected in this network. Another is Yolong Computer Telecommunication Scientific, which is one more devices connected in this network. Let's see some more option available in these tools. This is for start scanning. If we click here, it will automatically start to scan once more. Here we will see IP address of the devices and the router also connected in this device, router, and device name, MAC address, all the detail about the device, and at what time these tools detected these devices as the first time and the last time. Just now is the last time, no? And the detected count, how many times these devices is detected in this network. 6 times, this 6 times, and this 4 times. If it is activated active now, then it will show active, otherwise it will show no. Simply I am going to disconnect this device Yolong Computer Technology, and I will show you this. It is showing no, it is not active now, no, status is no. Okay, let's see the more option available in these tools. This is one of the stop scanning. While scanning, if you want to stop, then we can use this. This is advanced option. Let's see some more advanced option. If we want to use the flowing network adapter. Network adapter is simply the network adapter component. Simply we can use this network adapter name to follow to use this only. We can scan the IP address range from we can scan the device with certain IP address only. There is one more feature about scanning the IP address from this range to this range. Use the flowing audio clip for detecting new devices notification. If there is anyone new devices connected in this network, then some audio will be play for notification. We can use this also. Here it will be more lengthy if I use this. Okay, we can select any one audio and we can do that. We can use the flowing audio file for disconnected device. If any one device is disconnected from our device, our network, then certain audio will be played as a notification. Execute a time when new device is detected. When new device is detected, then flowing command will be executed. If this is disconnected, any one device is disconnected from network, then the flowing command will executed. Okay, this is the background scan interval. Means after 0 second the scanning will be progress. Means the scanning of scanning of a device is here. I am using 0 second. Means scanning of a device is for 0 second. After interval of 0 second, scanning is performed in background. So it is automatic. All item to export file every. We can use the file type, file name. Okay, and then we can save selected item. Suppose this is I am selected this item, and if I click here, then we can save this item any of this file. Let's see. This is ROS. I am using this ROS file name. I have saved in this desktop. Let's see. It will show here the desktop. I will simply click. It will show the every information about this device, selected device, this IP address, first detected, and many more. We can save by using this. Let's see. Selected item. This copy any one selected item. Now, if we want to show the property about this, we can use this. Here it is here showing all the detail about the selected device. If we want to see the property, then we can double click on the device, then we can able to show the property. If we want to find any device connected in this network, then we can use the find. After that, if we want to exit from this tool, then we can simply click here and close these tools, and that's all. Thank you.